In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly combine WP calculated fields and JetEngine with Elementor. To get started, you'll first need to install and activate three plugins: the WP calculated fields form, JetEngine, and Elementor. These plugins allow you to integrate calculated forms and complex post types into your WordPress site with ease. Once the plugins are installed, head over to the WP calculated fields form. This is where you'll create and configure your custom calculation forms. By adding a new form, you'll have the flexibility to build any calculations you need, whether it's simple arithmetic or more complex formulas. You can add fields according to your requirements and set up the calculations directly within this interface. This step allows you to tailor the form precisely to the specifications of your project. Next, move on to the JetEngine plugin. If you've already made custom post types or listings, you can skip this step, but if not, you'll want to create a new custom post type to match your form. Navigate to JetEngine, select post types, and click Add New. When defining your fields and meta boxes, ensure they're aligned with your calculation forms. This is crucial for ensuring both elements work seamlessly together. With your forms and post types ready, it's time to bring Elementor into play. Open the page you wish to edit with Elementor. This visual page builder offers a straightforward drag and drop interface that makes combining your forms with dynamic content intuitive. Once in Elementor, add a JetEngine dynamic field or form widget to your page. This widget allows you to embed your calculated form into your layout, making sure that everything fits neatly within your design. After placing the widget, delve into the widget settings and select the WP calculated fields form you initially created. This ensures that the form you meticulously designed is now part of your page, ready to perform real-time calculations for your users. The last crucial steps involve styling and configuring your display options in Elementor. Adjust the appearance of your form to match your site's aesthetic. Elementor provides numerous styling options, from colors to typography, ensuring consistency across your website. Once you're satisfied with your design and configuration, save your changes and preview the page. This preview is the moment of truth. Test the form to ensure the calculations and dynamic fields work perfectly together. If everything looks good, congratulations, you've successfully combined WP calculated fields and JetEngine with Elementor. This integration opens up a world of possibilities for interactive and data-driven pages, enhancing user experience on your website. Remember, while the process may seem complex initially, patience and practice will help you master these tools, leading to more dynamic and engaging web pages.